Are you wondering which music production software is better for you? Today, we are comparing Ableton and Cubase to help you decide. Both Ableton and Cubase are powerful tools for making music. They let you record, edit, and mix audio. Musicians and producers use them to create everything from beats to full songs. Let's start with Ableton. It's known for its live performance features. Many artists love how easy it is to arrange loops and samples. The interface is simple, making it great for beginners. It also has a strong community, so you can find lots of tutorials online. Now, let's look at Cubase. This software is famous for its advanced MIDI capabilities. It offers deep editing tools that many professionals appreciate. Cubase is also great for recording live instruments. Its audio quality is top notch, making it a favorite among serious producers. So, what are the key differences? Ableton shines in live settings and quick creativity. Cubase focuses more on detail editing and audio recording. If you plan to perform live, Ableton might be your best choice. If you want to dive deep into music production, Cubase could be the better fit. When it comes to features, both have a lot to offer. Ableton has unique instruments and effects that are fun to use. Cubase provides extensive MIDI tools and a more traditional layout. Depending on your style, one may suit you better than the other. In terms of pricing, both options vary. Ableton offers different versions, and Cubase has a range of packages too. It's important to consider what features you need before making a choice. In the end, if you're looking for live performance and quick music creation, go for Ableton. If you want advanced editing and recording, Cubase is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.